Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Fashion.
It's that time of the year when you see red and pink everywhere because Valentine's Day is almost here.
And we thought, why not look at our red hot beauties from B-Town in this special episode?
So let's begin with this episode of Crush or Crash. Okay, so first we have Sonakshi Sinha. Asli Sona.
Sona.
Yeah, that's her Insta handle.
Sona, Gubara, toys, name it and you have it.
So she's wearing a dress, actually a floor-length gown. What would we call it? Okay, a dress by Dead Lotus Couture.
I'm dead.
It's actually the
This
name
is the
only
killer
has
look.
depth in it. I do not understand this dress. It's a latex dress. It's strapless. It's body hugging with a thigh high slit. Let me just tell you the features first. Now the point is कि हर जगह से इतना खिंचा हुआ. It's like, how will she take it off? I want to know her struggle. Poor girl.
We'll just cut it. No, this is a one-time dress, one-time disposable dress. You just cut it, put it in the dustbin, and then when you want to wear another one, you need to get it.
I just don't understand. Okay, the color is pretty, of course it's red, but I fail to understand what's the purpose of this piece. It's not even pretty to look at, it's not aesthetically appealing. So it's quite bad, and I'm not even very happy with the hair and makeup also.
Yeah.
The hair looks extremely sleek. Lip color makeup, I'm okay with. Red lips, smoky eyes, looks nice. The shoes are also nice, but the only thing is, मेरी नजर shoes तक जा ही नहीं रही है. So what do you think?
मेरा opinion काफी खिंचा है for this dress. This outfit looks heavily inspired by Kim Kardashian, and also the fact that she did not pair it up with any accessory whatsoever. No earrings, no rings, no bracelet, nothing in the neck. Because I get it, the dress is the statement piece, but it's a very tricky dress to style, and also it's not meant for everybody's body, you know. And Sonakshi, she's beautiful, she's tall, she's curvy, so maybe something else, but not this dress. It sort of looks a little tacky, like I don't want to use that word, but it doesn't look good on her.
For me, the color's not working, the hair is not working, so it's a
Overall.
complete crash. I don't know what Mohit Rai was thinking, so it's a crash for
Crashing
me.
this look. Okay, so next on the list is our baby.
Yeah, talking about love and Valentine's Day and not having baby on the list would be a little unfair.
I know. Okay, so Karina is wearing this red number, this red gown by Shantanu and Nikhil, and this look was styled by Mohit Rai. What I love about the gown, everything, the color and the boning detail of the corset,
torso, yeah.
and that knotted detail at the
The drape,
right.
it's more like a drape than a knot,
Oh, it's
I
a drape,
think.
yeah. And it's at the right spot, like the right cinch of her waist. It's not zyada upar, na zyada niche. It's like sitting at the right spot. And the fact that she kept her whole area, this area clean,
Bare,
you will
yeah.
spot no earrings, no necklace, nothing. And also she tied up her hair.
Basically, there is always that one element that stands out in her look, and it might not be a garment or a piece of jewelry. It can be anything: shoe, hair, makeup. You know, we all know about her dramatic eyes. And coming back to this look, again, I think she's done complete justice. Mohit Rai has styled her beautifully. I love how I can see her collarbones, the whole shoulder area looks stunning. Because she's kept so much of bare space here, I can see her and I can see the dress. So it's a great balance that she's created. I was just hoping if the hair could have been done a little differently, but no complaints as such. So that also creates a nice structure to a flowy detail. It's a nice balance.
It's a story, you know, like
Yeah.
some effort, some thought has been put into this garment.
Yeah, even Shantanu and Nikhil, the way it's been designed,
Yeah.
I really like it, and I think it's a beautiful outfit. It looks amazing, and we both are crushing it. So next on the list is Kriti Sanon. She is wearing a dress from Rasa Jaipur, and she was styled by Sukriti Grover. This is for, she was promoting her movie Luka Chupi with Kartik Aryan. I don't know, I mean, I kind of like it. It's a nice fresh day look. I feel like if it's around the Valentine's Day, maybe I'll skip the
Scarf.
stole or
Chunni.
scarf.
It's a chunni.
I'll probably just skip the scarf because I feel like it's a little too much because already I'm wearing a lot of, like she's already wearing a lot of stripes. The fabric looks really nice and breezy, so it's such a nice and fun look, and I can see myself wearing this if I wanted to go out for a brunch scene with my girl. But I have a problem with the shoe. The shoe is a complete mismatch. Other than that, her makeup looks nice, her hair looks nice, and Kriti looks very, very pretty for like a. Don't you think for like if I was going for a promotion and it's like obviously it's clicked outside, I could see daylight, so I'm assuming it's a day promotion thing. Yeah, it's a day look. So I think it's a nice look. Just the shoes are not working for me.
Yeah, the fact that this was a day thing, and it is a very day look and very easy breezy comfortable look. But yeah, what you said about the shoes, they are hideous. Sorry Kriti, but they are hideous. But apart from that, I like the dress. I like the fact that it has those diagonal stripes. But yeah, I like the scarf, she needs to skip that. And I also like the hair and makeup, it's very simple, like a...
It's very natural, it's very pretty.
And the fact that this look you can spot, I can spot, like we all can spot this look, it's very approachable. And for that reason, we both are crushing it. Okay, so next on the list is Malaika Aurora G. And she's wearing this... how to describe this outfit? It's going everywhere. Either sutra, I don't know. But by this designer called Alina, and I cannot pronounce the surname, it's very difficult. You want to give it a...
Okay, it's, I don't know, it's very difficult to pronounce. It's Alina Akhmadulina.
Not bad, I would give it to you. But
Something
people
like
would
that.
just Google it, no guys.
It's Alina in collaboration with Lux Carter.
Yeah. So it's a all red outfit with some embroidery over here, and she's paired it up with red pumps, and she has kept her hair in loose waves and not minimal makeup, like decent makeup, not too much, not too less. Anyway, I don't like it actually. It's a very like I don't know if I can wear something like this, or like it's not a very easy to
you can't sport
red pumps with red outfit. Anyway, I'm not a matchy person.
Yeah.
So that's also one thing that's putting me off. And other than that, it's okay, but I'm not too excited by this outfit. It's supposed to excite you, but I'm not excited. You know what I mean?
Okay, I'm in a complete different direction. I kind of love this look. Yeah, I mean, of course, I would have preferred if the pumps were in a different color, like something from the embroidery.
Yeah.
It would have given it a nice, fun contrast. But it's not looking bad because I can see a lot of leg. So it gives me enough breathing space to not just go like, why the matchy happening. I can tell how like rich this fabric is because I really want to look at this picture and I want to like feel the fabric. The fabric looks stunning. It falls beautifully on her. I can see that she'll be very comfortable. Like this is one dress that if I wear, I'll be super comfortable. I can see it. Also, it's just apt amount of sexy. Like you see a lot of fabric, but just the right areas are, you can see the leg and a little bit of your neck. I kind of like it. The only thing which I felt was like a little too much was that neck thing because it's very long. It's almost reaching her shoe. Which is okay because it kind of blends in. I can't see because itna drape hai. For me, I think this dress is doing wonders. I love it. So I'm crushing it.
I am crushing this look.
So last we have Katrina Kaif. Oh my god, I was about to say Katrina Kapoor. Why? I have no idea.
Oh my god.
Okay. So she's wearing a Manish Malhotra Sharara set. It's a beautiful color. I like the neck piece. She's wearing these Sharara pants with a choli, which is half sleeves, and I can see a little patchwork on the sleeve. And then the same color shirt, semi-sheer dupatta, which she's draped like how you drape like in a sari way, like how you take a sari pallu. So she's not looking bad, but the problem is I do not like the way she's draped the dupatta. So here I feel the drape is a little too off, but she's looking very pretty. I mean, no doubt about it, she's looking very pretty.
So first of all, I love the color on her. It's that rich, bright red, and it's reflecting really well on her skin tone. And apart from that, so we were talking about the pants, the sharara, right? So this isn't that typical fitted and flare sharara. It's a straight like extended palazzo kind of thing. And for that reason, I think the drape is actually working with it, because you can surpass it as a sari or maybe as a lehenga, like you said, because it's straight and it's flowy. So when you're walking, obviously people will see the gap in between the
In
pants.
fact, this is slightly more fitted as compared to a garara.
I'm sure.
I mean, I'd rather have you wear a garara and drape a dupatta like that. It might not
Maybe,
interrupt
but
it
actually,
so
like
much.
I actually like the drape of the dupatta. It's looking like a sari come sharara. It's not looking like a sharara, to be honest. But like, to my surprise, like this outfit is by Manish Malhotra. Can you imagine?
Yeah,
I can't.
Vani has
Where
a problem.
I'm trying to spot Manish in this outfit. Like, let me just find that एक फूल, एक कुछ diamond कहीं से दिख जाए, which I can like just plug out and
It's
throw
quite
it
a
away.
subtle, like it's glamorous
Yeah.
in a very subtle way, which is not Manisha's side, maybe.
Exactly,
Yeah.
that's what I'm trying to say. But I think she's looking very beautiful, and like her typical hair that she does, which works for her, natural waves, and love the makeup and her dewy skin, and love the neck piece.
Everything else is beautiful. She looks stunning. For me, it's not doing wonders, and the drape is definitely pulling down the entire look for me. So I'm not trashing it, not crushing it. I'll say I'm in the middle. But Katrina looks stunning.
My favorite look from this episode was Karina. What about you?
Obviously, mine was clearly Malaika Arora Khan, and then would be Bebo, but Malaika stole the show. Let us know who was your favorite in the comment section below. And while you do that, don't forget to check out our Popixo shop. We've got amazing merchandise. We've got coffee mugs, laptop sleeves, sweatshirts, wall clocks, and a lot more. The link is in the description box below.
And for more styling tips and tricks and news on celebrity fashion, keep watching Popexo Fashion.